All right, so today we're taking a look at this combination DS Labs Spectral and Revita Hair Shampoo. So this one right here is gonna be a hair shampoo for thinning hair. So if you've got thinning hair, if you're starting to notice your hair is thinning, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do actually is add a filter to your shower, because that is what's gonna be touching your hair at all times. You wanna make sure that the water coming out of there is nice, clean, filtered. And then the second thing you're gonna wanna do is get some type of hair density shampoo. Now, this is the brand that I like specifically. You don't necessarily have to just use this brand only or anything like that. I'm not specifically affiliated with them, but I love this one because I've been using it for a while. I've tried a couple other brands, but this is the only one that really gave me a lot of volume to my hair. I was looking for something that not only was gonna help to stop the hair loss and increase the hair growth, but also kind of give me a nice, soft, clean look to my hair and add volume to it. You can see how high my hair sticks up, and that's because it really does clean deep down in the root. That way your hair is not sticking together and falling over. So if you've got thin hair, you know what I mean. That thin hair is very difficult and annoying to deal with, and the more gunk, the more oil and everything like that gets on it, the heavier it gets, and it just falls flat and it looks terrible. So having a shampoo like this is amazing because it really does clean, and it gives each hair individually a chance to stick up, which is what gives you that volume. Now, I also use their conditioner as well, but it's not part of this listing, but I do recommend the conditioner as well. And then once your hair has been cleaned with the clean water, you've used a shampoo that actually works for thinning hair. Now you're also gonna wanna add in something called Minoxidil. Now this is what's gonna actually help your hair grow and thicken. It's a clinically proven product, and this one specifically on this listing is the 5%, which I do recommend because this is the extra strength. A lot of times you'll see Minoxidils and they're only gonna be 2% or 3%, but you're gonna wanna utilize the full 5%. Again, these have been clinically tested for many, many years. So this is something that actually works on multiple types of people. This is not just some random supplement that might work or might not work. This is actually something that has been clinically proven to work for hair regrowth. It's also something that you could use not only for right here, but you could use it on the back of your head. You could also utilize it for your beard. So if you're trying to grow out your beard and maybe you just can't get it to connect, or it just doesn't look full as much as you want it to, you can go ahead and spray it on there too. Make sure to rub it in, and then it's gonna help that hair growth on your beard as well. It's literally gonna help anywhere that you have already kind of had hair in the past, or you traditionally would grow hair. If you're a guy, you could spray it on your chest if you want more chest hair. You could spray it on your back if you wanted more back hair. But yeah, anywhere that you've already had hair, if you spray it, like right here in the middle of your forehead, it's not gonna do anything. It can't magically grow hair out of nowhere. It has to be in an area that traditionally grows hair. So these two really go hand in hand with each other, because you've got the shampoo that's really cleaning the base, preparing the scalp, and then you've got this, which is really gonna help to fertilize and regrow that hair. So if you're looking for a good combo, maybe you're looking for something to take your first steps to regrowing your hair, this is the place to start. Again, I would probably also add in some type of conditioner if you like conditioning your hair. This is not 100% necessary. I would say that the conditioner is more so for healthy hair. It gives you like a nice soft feeling to it and a nice sheen to it. But when it comes to like the necessary stuff to help regrow your hair, it's gonna be a shampoo and a Minoxidil. So yeah, if you're looking for something like this, I would highly recommend this kit, and hopefully it works as good for you as it did for me.